gear, your front gear. Go up a gear, up. Let's go. There we go. Let's go. Come on, go get him. There you go. You're closing up on him now. Downhill. Go get him. There you go. Get together, guys. Let's go. Come on, guys. Let's go. Work together, you two. Work together. Let's go. That's right. Get on his wheel. Let's go. Very good. Come on, guys. Take pulls. One of you, one after the other. Get on his wheel. There you go. Let's go. There you go. Stay with him.
Ladies and gentlemen, next time around, you're sprinting for a free to here at the finish line.
Here you go, guys. Get together. Get on his wheel. Get up there to him. Come on, you can get him. Let's go. Get up there. You can do it. Shift the back one. There you go. Pull in front. Take over. All right, guys, stay together. Come on, stay with him. Doing good. Here we go. Come on.